Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see how many account log in Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account, click on the profile icon, click on the three line at the bottom right corner, settings and privacy, account center, password and security, where you are logged in. Now shown here all about information. Now you can easily see how many account log in Instagram. So this is the on and only way to do this. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.